नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 18, text 19, text 20 and text 21 of chapter 11. Calculation of time from the atom of third canto of the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 18. Maitreya uvaच. कृतं त्रेता द्वापरं च कलिश चेति चतुर्युगं दिव्यैर द्वादशभिर वर्षैः सावधानं निरूपितम्. Maitreya said, O Vidur, the four millenniums are called the Satya, Treta, Dwapar and Kali Yugas. The aggregate number of years of all of these combined is equal to 12,000 years of the demigods. The years of the demigods are equal to 360 years of humankind. As will be clarified in the subsequent verses, 12,000 of the demigods' years, including the transitional periods which are called Yuga Sandhyas, comprise the total of the aforementioned four millenniums. Thus, the aggregate of the given mentioned four millenniums is 43,20,000 years. Text 19. Chatvari trini dve chaikam kritadishu yathakramamo sankhyatāni sahasrāni dvigunāni shatani cha. The duration of the Satya millennium equals 4,800 years of the demigods. The duration of the Treta Yuga millennium equals 3,600 years of the demigods. The duration of the Dwapar millennium equals 2,400 years, and that of the Kali millennium is 1,200 years of the demigods. As aforementioned, 1 year of the demigods is equal to 360 years of the human beings. The duration of the Satya Yuga is therefore 4,800 into 360 or 17,28,000 years. The duration of the Treta Yuga is 3,600 into 360 or 12,96,000 years. The duration of the Dwapar Yuga is 2,400 into 360 or 8,64,000 years, and the last, the Kali Yuga, is 1,200 into 360 or 4,32,000 years. Text 20. Sandhya sandhyam shayorantarayoh kalah shatasankhyayoh tame vahura yugam tajagnya yatra dharmo vidhiyate. The transitional periods before and after every millennium, which are a few hundred years as aforementioned, are known as Yuga Sandhyas, or the conjunctions of two millenniums, according to the expert astronomers. In those periods, all kinds of religious activities are performed. Text 21. Dharmasha chatushapan manujan krite sa manu vartate sa evanyeshva dharmen vyeti paden vardhata. O Vidur, in the Satya millennium, mankind properly and completely maintained the principles of religion, but in other millenniums, religion gradually decreased by one part as a religion was proportionately admitted. In the Satya millennium, complete execution of religious principles prevailed. Gradually, the principles of religion decreased by one part in each of the subsequent millenniums. In other words, at present, there is one part religion and three parts irreligion. Therefore, people in this age are not very happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.